Now I need to export the data into a spreadsheet format, and I've got a choice of CSV, Excel, which is xlsx, or just copy all. And I want to get this into a Google Sheet, and I really don't have the option for getting it into a Google Sheet, but for now I'm going to choose xlsx, and it downloads. So I'm going to go to Go, Downloads, and here I've got Yellow Pages, xlsx. I want to change that to Jewish delis, or delis. And I'm going to drag that outside of my downloads window, close the downloads window. So now I've got this xlsx spreadsheet file on my desktop named delis.